Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new ticket on Zendesk. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in zendesk.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Zendesk website, from which you can click on the sign in button at the top section and proceed with logging into your account using your email address and your password. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken into your homepage, within which you will be asked to complete the first steps. Now, from the homepage, in order to add or create a new ticket, hover over to the top left corner and you will see the Add button. Just scroll over to this and then click on Ticket. And now you will be able to create your new ticket. Simply enter the requester name and then choose your assignee. You can then choose the followers from your agents and then enter the tags that you prefer for your ticket. From the drop-down menu, you can also choose the type, whether it is a question, an incident, a problem, or a task. You can also choose the priority from low to urgent, and then choose the topic of your ticket. Finally, enter the subject and the description, and you can click on the Submit as New option, which will create your new ticket right away. Once your ticket has been made, it will be assigned to whoever you assigned it to, and the task will begin. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create a new ticket on Zendesk. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.